something that Sue Josephson referenced a little while ago was that eBay have taken away the ability to see past sales that a particular product has made. So we can see here 34 sold in the last 24 hours for this particular product, which for a pair of headphones is fantastic, by the way. But it used to be the case that you could click into it and see exactly when that product was being sold. So what days of the week, how many were getting sold, what times of day, and you could use that information in a couple of different ways. Firstly, you could use it for your own products that you were going to launch, as Graham's demonstrated pretty effectively. Using sponsored ads on eBay is an absolute fast track to making sales. But if you know which days to run those ads and at what times to run those ads, you can save yourself a shitload of money. And what you find as well is that the same people that shop on eBay also shop on Amazon, also shop on Google. And it tends to be that if you know when a product is selling really, really well on one platform, it's the same on all the other platforms. Okay, it's the same on all the others. So it's really, really useful information, but they took it away because they're complete bastards. Anyway, Anthony sent me through a way to actually get that data. So you got to be logged in to get it. So you can see, let's just quickly talk about how I put this link together. So that is the item number there of any, it's like the ASIN on Amazon. That's the item number on eBay. Okay, so once you've got that, then you can use that on this link here to get access to all that old data again. And you can see when sales are being made, how fast they're being made, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so it's a way that you can actually get back to that data. Good sales, holy crap. Good product. Way we can get back to that data. It's super easy to do as well. It's just going and following that link. I'll put that, if you're watching the recording, it will be underneath this video in the members area on that page, okay? But it's a pretty easy thing to do. So big thanks for that. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 people and growing. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right now, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you would like to find out more about what we do and also come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieontrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description, and I will see you on the next video. Until then, bye for now.